Amancio Ortega Gaona, Spanish pronunciation, born March 28, 1936, is a Spanish business tycoon. He is the founder and former chairman of Inditex Fashion Group, best known for its chain of Zara clothing and accessories retail shops. According to Forbes magazine, he is currently, 2017, the richest person in Europe, and the fourth richest in the world with an estimated net worth of $84 billion. He is also the wealthiest retailer in the world. The youngest of 4 children, Ortega was born in Bustongo de Arbas, Leon, Spain, to Antonio Ortega Rodriguez and Josefa Gaona Hernandez from the province of Valladolid, and spent his childhood and moved to A Coruña at the age of 14, due to the job of his father, a railway worker. Shortly after, he found a job as a shop hand for a local shirt maker called Gaona, which still sits on the same corner in downtown A Coruña, and learned to make clothes by hand in 1972. He founded Confecciones Gaona, his initials in reverse, selling quilted bathrobes which Ortega produced using thousands of local women organized into sewing cooperatives. In 1975, he opened his first Zara store with his wife Rosalia Mera, so called because his preferred name Zorba was already taken. Today, Zara is part of the Inditex Group, Industrias de Diseño Textil Sociedad Anónima, of which Ortega owns 59.29%, and aside from over 6,000 stores includes the brands Zara, Massimo Dutti, Oysho, Zara Home, Kitty's Class, Tempe, Stradivarius, Pull & Bear, Bershka, and has more than 92,000 employees. https://n.wikipedia.org/wiki/Amancio_Ortega. Ortega keeps a very low profile and is known for his preference for a simple lifestyle. Until 1999, no photograph of Ortega had ever been published. He refuses to wear a tie and typically wears a simple uniform of a blue blazer, white shirt, and gray trousers, none of which are Zara products. He is said to take a very active part in the production and design process in the company. When he made a public appearance in 2000 as part of the warm-up prior to his company's initial public offering on the stock market in 2001, it made headlines in the Spanish financial press. However, he has only ever granted interviews to 3 journalists, and his secrecy has led to the publication of books, such as Amancio Ortega, De Cero a Zara, From Zero to Zara. In 2011, Ortega announced his imminent retirement from Inditex, parent company of the Zara chain, stating that he would ask Inditex Vice President and CEO Pablo Isla to take his place at the helm of the textile empire. In 2012, Ortega donated about €20 million to Caritas Internationalis, a Roman Catholic relief organization. In 2015, Ortega gave €17 million, $18 million, to the health system in the Spanish region of Galicia.